Good evening, students. Today our chapter is square and square roots. We will do 3 questions of this chapter from worksheet 3, and next we will move to worksheet 1. There is one question remaining from worksheet 1. We will do after solving these 3 questions from worksheet 3. Clear? So the first question says, question 6. The first question says, an officer wants to arrange 2,02,500 cadets in the form of a square. How many cadets were there in each row? So number of cadets are 2,02,500. So let's write it down first. Number of cadets equals to 2,02,500. Clear? The number of cadets are 2,02,500. Next, these cadets are to be arranged in the form of a square. These cadets are to be arranged in the form of a square. How many cadets were there in each row? Clear? So we know the property of square. What is the property of square? The property of square is its all sides are same. Clear? The property of square, its all sides are same. So how many cadets were there? Now the number of rows into number of cadets in each row. So total number of cadets will be the number of rows into number of cadets in each row. Clear? So we will write here total number of cadets equals to number of rows into number of cadets in each row. Total number of cadets equals to number of rows into number of cadets in each row. This will give you total number of cadets. Clear? So now total number of cadets is given as 2,02,500 equals to now number of rows into number of cadets in each row. Clear? Now number of rows and number of cadets in each row, this should be equal. This is equal. Why? Because you are arranging cadets in the form of square. You are arranging cadets in the form of a square, and we know the property of square is its all sides are same. That's it. That's why number of rows into number of cadets in each row will be equal. Clear? If this is not a square, then these two would not be equal. This is a square. As this is a square, therefore number of rows into number of cadets in each row will be equal. Clear? So we will put number of cadets in each row in place of number of rows, as this is equal. So therefore we can put number of cadets in each row in place of number of rows. Clear? So this will be number of cadets in each row into number of cadets in each row. So we have in place of number of rows, we have already mentioned number of cadets in each row, and the number of cadets in each row is this number of cadets in each row. Since these two are equal, therefore we can put number of cadets in each row in place of number of rows. Why these two are equal? This two is equal because this is a square. You are arranging cadets in the form of a square, and we know the property of square, that is all the sides of the square is equal. Therefore number of rows will be equal to the number of cadets in each row. Clear? So therefore this will be 2,02,500, which is total number of cadets equals to number of cadets in each row square, because number of cadets in each row into number of cadets in each row, that will be number of cadets in each row total square. So if we want to find number of cadets in each row will be square root of 2,02,500. Because from this, if we want to extract the number of cadets in each row, this will be the square root of 2,02,500. Therefore number of cadets in each row equals to, now We will square root this number. Let's do it. Square root 2 lakh. You can do any of the method, that is prime factorization method or repeated subtraction method, anyone. There are 3 methods finding square roots. You have already learned. You can do any one of them. Clear? So let's do it by prime factorization method first. 2,02,500. Let's do it by 2. 2 5s are 10, 1 0 2, 2 6 are 12, 5 0 0. Two twos are 4, 1 0, 2 5s are 10. Therefore, it is 50625. 50625. Now do it by 5. Now I'll continue from here. 81, 3, 3, 1. So how many? There are 2 2s and 1 2 3, 3 5s and 1 2 3 4 3s. Clear? So 2 2s, 4 5s and 4 3s. So write it down. 2 2, 4 5s, 4 3s, clear? So this is square root. There are 2 2s, 4 5s and 4 3s. Clear? Let's extract a single 2 into 5 into 5 into 3 into 3. Therefore 2 5s are 10, 10 5s are 50, 53s are 150, 153s are 450. So your answer is 450. So number of carrots in each row equals to 450. You will write answer, number of cadets in each row equals to 450. 450 is your answer. Number of carrots in each row is 450. 450 will be your answer. Clear? Next. Question number 8. Question number 8. This question is similar to worksheet 4, question number 6. This question is somewhat similar to question number 6 on worksheet 4. So the question is square root of 47089 plus square root of 24336. Clear? So let's square root it first. 89. So 47089. Clear? We should square it first, then we will add these two. So number is 47089. Now, so do it by 7 first. Six 7 2 7. Next again 7 1. Next it will be divisible by 31 because 31 square is 961. Clear? Square from 1 to 50. Square from 1 to 50 and cube from 1 to 20. You should remember. Clear? I have already told you that from the beginning of this chapter, square from 1 to 50 and cube from 1 to 20 at least you should remember. so that you can easily square root of numbers. So therefore we can write 47089 equals to 7 into 7 into 31 into 31. This will give you 31. That means it is 217. Next 24336. 24336, do it by 2. Next this will divide by 19. This is 9 divided by 19. This will gives you 19. This gives you 9. Do it by 3. Again 3 1. This is 3. Clear? Okay. So square root of 24336 will give you, there are 4 2's, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, let's do it by 3. In place of 19, let's do it by 3. 3 19. Okay, so 24336, do it by 7, 24, 6 at 12. This is, sorry, 2 6 at 12, 0, 2 8 at 16, 2 4s 30, 42, 507. This is 13. Clear? This is 169. This will be 13, and 13. This will be 1. Clear? So therefore 24336 will give you, how many 2's are there? There are 4 2's. 1 2 3 4. 2 3's. Therefore 2 3's and 2 13's. So 2 2 3 and 1 13. So 2 2's are 4, 4 3's are 12. 12 into 13, it's 156. 12 into 13. 2 2's are 4, 4 3's are 12. If you multiply 12 into 13, it's 156. So this is 156. Therefore we will add 47089 plus 24336. This is 217 and this is 156. Let's add these two. 373. So your answer is 373. Clear? Next. Question number 7. Question number 7 says the area of a square field is 5184 meter square. This is M. 5184 meter square. The area of a square field is 5184 meter square. A rectangular field whose length is twice its breadth has its perimeter equal to the perimeter of the square field. Find the area of the rectangular field. Okay, so area of square field is given. Area of square field equals to 5184 meter square. Next, a rectangular field whose length is twice its breadth. See this line carefully. Length is twice its breadth. That means length will be twice its breadth. If breadth is suppose x meter, then length will be 2x meter. Clear? So let breadth is x meter. Therefore length will be 2x meter. Clear? Now it has its perimeter equal to the perimeter of the square field. That means the perimeter of the rectangular field will be equal to the perimeter of the square field. Therefore, we will first find out the perimeter of the rectangular field. Clear? So we already know the length and breadth of the rectangular field. We already know the length and breadth of the rectangular field. Let breadth of rectangular field. Breadth of rectangular field. Clear? This is same length of rectangular field and area of square field. Clear? So perimeter of the rectangular field formula is 2 into length plus breadth. Perimeter of, you have to mention rectangular or square field. Clear? Perimeter of the rectangular field equals to, we know the formula. Perimeter of the rectangular field is 2 into length plus breadth. That is 2 into length is 2x and breadth is x meter. Therefore 2 into 3x meter. This will be 6x meter. So perimeter is 6x meter. Perimeter of the square rectangular field is 6x meter. Now this perimeter of the rectangular field is equal to the perimeter of the square field. That means perimeter of the square field will also 6x meter. Clear? Therefore we will write perimeter of square field equal to 6x meter. Now what is the perimeter of the square? The formula is 4 into side. What is the formula of perimeter of a square? Its formula is 4 into side. Therefore the formula of a perimeter of a square is 4 into side. But see this line, area of a square field is 5184 meter square. So let side of square, let side of square equals to y meter. Clear? Let side of square equals to y meter. So area of a square field is 5184. We know if area of any square field is given, to find the side of that square field, we will just square root the area. Clear? Listen carefully. If area of any square is given, to find out the side of that square, we will just square root the area of the square field. Clear? So if we square root of this number, that is 5184, that is the area of the square field, we will have the side of the square. Clear? So therefore side of square will be 5184. Clear? Side of square will be 5184. So let's square root this number. Continuing from here. So there are how many 2's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 2's and 4 3's. Clear? There are 6 2's and 4 3's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 1, 2, 3 and 4. So let's extract these 2's. Therefore 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 3's are 24, 24 3's are 72. So side of square is 72 meter. Side of the square is 72 meter. Now what is the perimeter of the square? Perimeter of the square formula is 4 into side. Therefore perimeter of square field will be 4 into side formula, that is 4 into 72 meter, 288 meter. 288 meter. Perimeter of the square field will be 288 meter. Now perimeter of the rectangular field is equal to the perimeter of the square field. It is given. So perimeter of the square field is 6x meter and perimeter of the square field is 288 meter. Now these two will be equal. So we will write according to question, 6x will be equals to 288. Therefore x will be equals to 288 divided by 6. That means 6 4s are 6 4s are 24, 4 8 6 8s are 28. Therefore x will be equal to 48. X will be equals to 48. That means what? The breadth was x meter, therefore breadth is 48 meter, length will be 2 into 48. So therefore we will write length equals to 2 into 48 meter, that is 96 meter, and breadth equal to 48 meter. Now find the area of the rectangular field. So we will multiply length into breadth. This will gives me the area of the rectangular field. Therefore you will write area of rectangular field, that is formula is length into breadth, that is the length is 96 meter and breadth is 48 meter. Clear? 96 into 48, it is meter square. This will give you the area of the rectangular field. So multiply 96 into 48. Four six zero eight. So this is 4608 meter square. 4608 meter square. This is your answer. This is 6. Clear? This is 6. 4608 meter square. This is your answer. Next. Next question is which of the following, this is from worksheet 1. This is from worksheet 1. This is the remaining question. Which of the following are Pythagorean triplets? The question is which of the following are Pythagorean. Clear? Which of the following are Pythagorean triplets? This was the question. Which of the following was Pythagorean triplets? Now 6, 7, 8. So recall the formulas where I have clearly mentioned that what are Pythagorean triplets. The formula was p square equals to m square plus n square. This was the formula of Pythagorean triplets. Clear? P, m and n, these three are the triplets. So Pythagorean triplets formula will be p square equals to m square plus n square. The formula should satisfy to be Pythagorean to any three numbers to be Pythagorean triplet. This formula should satisfy. So 6, 7, 8, these three. So therefore p square equals to m square plus n square. Let p equals to 6, m equals to 7 and n equals to 8. Therefore p square equals to m square plus n square. So I'll just put it in formulas. P 6 square, m 7, that is 7 square, n 8, that is 8 square. Clear? Just write it down like this. 6 square. 6 square will give you 36. This is 6. 6 square will gives you 36. Clear? It is the left hand side. Clear? Now right hand side is m square plus n square. So right here p square, this is square 36. Now right side m square plus n square. M is 7, that is 7 square. N is 8, that is 8 square. 7 square 49, 8 square 64. This is equal. This is 113. Clear? So clearly we have seen 6 square is not equals to 7 square plus 8 square. That means we will write 6 square is not equals to 7 square plus 8 square. So these three are not Pythagorean triplets. So you will write like this: 6, 7, 8 are not Pythagorean triplets. Clear? This is your answer. Now next 10, 24 and 26, this will be your homework. You will do like this. Clear? First write the formula p square equal to m square plus n square. Then let p equals to 10, m equals to 24 and n equals to 26. Clear? Now left hand side p square, that is 10. 10 square will gives you 10 square means 10 into 10 100. And then right hand side, that is m square plus n square. M is 24 and n is 26. So you will first square those numbers, then add. Clear? And check whether these two are same or not. If both sides, that is the left hand side and right hand side, are same, then this will be Pythagorean triplets. And if this is unequal, then these are not Pythagorean triplets. Clear? So this will be your homework. So this is all about worksheet 3 and remaining part of worksheet 1. In the next session we will do the last worksheet, that is worksheet 5, and then this complete this chapter. Thank you.